What's up, guys? Going to the beach now. Good morning. Oh, with the surfboard, but I know it ain't no waves today. Well, I looked at it, it said it was going like how like 2 feet, but like guess not. But I guess I'll just practice. Practice make perfect, right? Practice on my turning and my paddling, because I ain't been on a surfboard in a while. So, and also too, I got a practice board, so that's pretty good. All my other surfboards got fucked up, so. Good morning. Bro, that man funny. Dude, it's a dude going around calling girls who I can't say that. Bro, he just like going crazy over there for no reason. Yeah, that's what I was saying. I wanted to talk to you guys about my continent. So I'm about to start like basically like, if I get waves, I might surf on the content too. So I might have like basically surfing content and bike content a little bit. Like, I know I ain't really keep my channel like, you know, basically kept switching around to video games and this to that to this, but this is here to stay. I'm only doing this. Who doing music? Oh, that's him. Yeah, I'm only doing this for now on. And here we are, the beach. Like I said, just practice, really. Practicing, honestly. Nothing deep. Good morning. Just practicing. Like I already said that. But yeah, and we at the beach. Pretty much. The beach. It's like little ways I could practice on, pretty much. Yeah. Might do it over here actually. So y'all, might fall off. I forgot one little thing. It was my stick. Yeah, like I said, I need practice, bro. A lot of practice. There's no waves anyway, so this is a good practice just to getting on the board, honestly. Really no waves. Next time I had a stick or whatever they call. I can't hit on the board cause yo, I need where's the car? Oh my goodness, y'all. I gotta get this stuff. It might be my shirt actually too. Hold on. Oh, I think I got use for it. Yeah, like I said, no waves, but this is like practice of me pedaling. Bro, I ain't surfing like in a long time, so I really forgot everything. So, but this is practice. That's all. Here we go. I hear you caught. I didn't see that one. Fuck. That was a good one. That was a. Alright, I found some sticky wax. Just put a lot. At first, I thought it was gonna be a lot of money because you know stuff going up. But it was only $3 after tax. It's actually $2.99. So I got $2.50 online. I'm gonna put a lot though. Okay, that should be enough. Okay, should be enough. But yeah, it ain't that much waves today. But I'm just practicing standing up and also, you know, basically pedaling and then turning. It don't matter. I finally got the wax for it though, so and keeping me on now. That's what I can say. But I'm gonna put this in my mouth. Wait, I'm gonna start from my what? Well, just practice. But yeah, I got that down pack real good. I know how to like turn. I just need the waves now, honestly. But I thought it was gonna be waves because it said it was gonna rain, and the wind was blowing. The waves was pretty good yesterday. I think it was like 3 feet or 2 feet, one of them. When I seen it, it was pretty good. But this right here, we don't have waves like that. That was a good wave though. I want to see like 3. I want to say five good waves. Really, 5 good waves. That's all I need now to practice more. But yeah, pretty much the beach today. Yeah, so today, like I said, just practicing, you know. Basically, I'm a noob. I'm gonna be honest with you, a noob, but I want to get better. Might have to do a surfing channel, or just keep it on this channel, both doing biking and surfing. I love outdoors and stuff, so I love doing stuff. But yeah. Good news is I got surfing wax now, so I won't be falling off the board no more. But thank you guys, you know, for checking out my channel and all. Tune in, more gonna be coming, more surfing, more biking, everything. Peace out.